Want to leave the house but worried germs will make you sick? Try SinoFresh Traveler's Germ Defense Kit, the real deal homeopathic keep-safe travel kit. It's packed with amazing goods to keep you feeling good wherever you go, like SinoFresh Antiseptic Nasal Formula, which fights bacteria, viruses, and allergies for fast-acting sinus pressure relief and nasal care, and Kool Antiseptic Oral Spray. It makes the germs and bacteria that cause sore, ticklish throats go away for fast, cooling comfort. They're both sugar-free, non-drowsy, and non-addictive. Tired of gels that sanitize but leave hands red and dry? The kit also includes SinoFresh Foaming Hand Sanitizer, the water-based alcohol-free formula that kills germs without hurting your hands, while super soft SinoFresh Sanitizer wipes clean gently but effectively, so you can wipe hands without worry and get rid of germs in a hurry. Amazing germ-stopping power in one handy travel pouch to keep you safe every time you step out.
Oh my gosh, it's crazy trying to travel these days. But my SinoFresh Germ Defense Kit has everything I need to keep me comfortable out on the road. The foaming sanitizer and wipes take care of surface germs without drying my hands out, which really is a nice change. The nasal spray minimizes my allergies and helps keep my head from clogging up. And I couldn't tell you the last time I had a sore throat. Anytime I feel that tickle in the back of my throat, I just give it a spray and it's pretty much problem solved. The kit is amazing.